Well, your boy done goofed, man. You guys ever go fishing? Just been in a hurry, be like you're trying to get out after work, you're rushing, and you literally forgot the most important thing that you need? Because that's just what happened. I'm out here, I plan to do some fishing today. I forgot my tackle. How do you go fishing and forget your tackle? I got the kayak, we were gonna go fish in the kayak. I got my rod, and I forgot all my tackle boxes. And then the funny part of this whole thing is I drove almost, like probably about a solid half hour to come here. So, actually, you know what? Uh-oh, please, 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 please. I always do this, like, not this, like forget my lures, but I have like a tackle tray underneath my truck, or underneath the seat of my truck, and yes, 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 yes! You gotta have these. Oh, MTB, you are a freaking lifesaver. All right, I'm just kidding. I didn't forget my tackle, but I do always keep mystery tackle boxes in my truck. If you guys don't know what mystery tackle box is, it is a monthly tackle subscription company where they pretty much just send you bomb lures every single month. So today I was gonna come out here and do an MTB slam, but because of the lake that I'm at, you're pretty limited on what you can fish based on the laydowns and stuff like that. So we're just gonna be taking this mystery tackle box with us today. This is the October box. So instead of going through it, we're just gonna, this is all I brought with me. I didn't bring any other tackle. We're gonna take this out with me, and I'm only allowed to use the mystery tackle box to catch fish today. So, you know, these boxes are supposed to be geared towards the month or the time of year that you're fishing. So it's fall, so there should be some baits in here that should get the job done today for the most part. So hopefully that box is good. Thank you so much, Mystery Tackle Box. And let's get the kayak in the water and go catch some slaunches, eh? Slaunches, pigs, studs, 10-pounders. There's no 10-pounders in here, so I'll see you guys on the lake. Oh my God, guys, I'm an idiot. So I tried to like trick you guys in the beginning and say like I forgot my tackle, but you know, really I didn't bring my tackle because I'm using the mystery tackle box today. But I did forget something important. My dumb self forgot the oar or a paddle to get around in the kayak. I'm gonna go look in the truck, but I'm like 99.9% I didn't bring an oar to use my kayak. So this is just great. You had one job, Jordan. One friggin' job. Yo, are you at home? So I'm at the Radke's pond. I literally have a kayak and no paddle, so I'm debating if I should just fish from shore or if I should just come get your paddle or something. Okay, good news. Bad news to begin with is I'm an idiot and somehow forgot to bring an oar is an oar the correct term? A paddle. I forgot to bring any kind of paddle for my kayak, so you know, I can't use the kayak. Luckily, I have a cousin who lives about 5 minutes away who has a kayak, and he happens to be home, so we're gonna go pick that up, and we're gonna get on the water. The second thing is it's about 4:30. I don't have too much daylight to actually get out there and fish, but I think we can make it happen. I just gotta make some moves quick. So let's go get that oar.
I'm just tired, bro.
Freaking lifesaver, man.
There to save your life.
Bailing me out, baby. Oh, all right. Well, glad we got that figured out. So now let's hit the water because we're down like, I don't know, we're down to like an hour at this point. We're gonna break out the mystery tackle box now, and we're gonna pick out a bait from this thing and get to fishing because we only got about an hour before it completely gets dark here. So let's go. Alrighty guys, so we got the mystery tackle box here, and we're gonna pop it open and just see what we got going on in here, because I don't really know. See, normally what I would do is I'd go through this entire box and just like tell you everything that's in it, but let's see, let me look it up. Looks like we got ourselves a square bill. That's awesome, nice bluegill colored square bill. We got some worm hooks, okay. We got a jig. We got a chatterbait. Looks like another kind of like a deep diving crankbait. Looks like we got some kind of craw imitation right here, the vile bug. And then on the bottom, it looks like we got like a nice little drop shot bait. So that's a dope box, like right off the bat. This is sick. But as far as what I can fish in here, it's a lot of lay down, it's a lot of structure, it's clear water. So I think we're gonna start with this. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take these vial bugs, because I fish craws in here a lot and they work good. Unfortunately, we don't have any kind of weight here, but we do have hooks. So the purpose of these boxes, you should be able to get out and fish, you know. So I'm using what I have to work with. I do prefer a like if I'm gonna use like this 3/0 worm hook right here, this is totally cool. Like, shout out Mystery Tackle Box for putting these in there. But I do prefer to use like an EWG, which I wouldn't mind seeing in boxes more often, but we'll make it work. So we're gonna fish these two right now. Maybe there's a lot of cover in here. Maybe we'll throw the square bill, seeing as it's kind of fall right now. It's not a bad move. If the offset hook with just like the weightless craw doesn't work, we're gonna try throwing this guy right here and maybe just tip it with one of those. We'll see what's gonna happen. So let's get this set up and let's get to fishing. Alrighty guys, so we're rigged up. I'm starting with the BioSpawn vial bug. This thing is sweet. This is a sick like bug bait, or you know, I'm gonna say just like a craw imitation. This is just an awesome looking bait. It's actually got holes in it, so that's gonna allow it to sink a little bit better, especially since I'm fishing it weightless. And yeah. If you guys want to know the setup that I'm using today, I am using a 7-foot medium action Ducket Series Ghost rod, one of my favorite jigging rods. White, it's slick, it's cool, very, very sensitive. I am using a 7-to-1 gear ratio Quantum PT Tour Edition burner, and then I have it spooled up with some 60-pound braid. This is a good lighter, you know, flipping setup. I use it a lot for worms, use it a lot for jigs. If you guys are interested in that, I can put the links down below for you if you guys want. It's kind of a little more on the expensive side for setup, but I love this thing. Cast smooth. We got a heavier braid in here so we can flip cover and stuff like that, and just, you know, get tanked in on those fish that are in heavy cover. But man, is it cold out here for sure. And water's cold too, wow. Alrighty, no luck on the jig so far. It's honestly been kind of tough. So maybe they're not that slow yet. Maybe they haven't slowed down that much. The water's not that much. So we're gonna speed things up a bit. We got a chatterbait in the Mystery Tackle Box. Chatterbait's a good moving bait to get them fired up. So we're gonna see if maybe these fish just need a reason to, you know, get a little feisty. I'm going to throw the same exact bait. Yeah, we're gonna kill two birds with one stone. I'm gonna take that BioSpawn paddle tail-ish looking craw bait thing, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna tip my my chatterbait with it. And if you guys notice, that I think is really cool, and Mystery Tackle Box does a great job at. What I'm assuming they do this intentionally. All the baits that come in the box are color matching, so that bait literally matches that chatterbait perfectly. So I could tip that like that, and you know, you don't gotta worry about it. It always feels good to have, you know, a matching trailer. It's just, it really puts just like the icing on the cake for a bait. So I think the chatterbait is gonna do it if the jig won't. I've never fished a chatterbait in this lake before, so it should be interesting. But it's kind of nice. You can cover a lot more water, especially in the time frame that I have. You can still work cover. There's a fish. There we go. Oh boys, that is a good bass, guys. Stay down. Oh my gosh, come here, come here. Oh man, stay down, stay down, stay down. Come here. Oh my gosh. Oh. Look at that stud. My God, guys. That is probably a 5-pounder right there. Boom. That makes all the nonsense today totally worth it. That's just amazing. Yeah, baby. That could be the only fish I catch all day, and I'm not gonna be mad about it, like at all. I mean, would I like to catch another? Absolutely. I mean, that's literally what we fish for in the fall, guys. That's literally every bit of why you fish in the fall, is fish like that right there. Just big old healthy largemouth. Nice dark color to that guy too. Really, really pretty fish, man. Really, really pretty fish. There's fish. Scurry little guy. Good fish. Not as big as the other one. Come here. Come here. Stay on. There we go. That's a good fish. Heck yeah, guys. Look at the dark color on these. I don't know if the GoPro will do you guys justice, but look at, they're just freaking footballs, guys. That's probably a 2-pounder right there, just in a good 13 inches. So there we go. Not another bad one at all. Bye-bye, little buddy. Boom. I hear bedding deer. Well, moving deer, I should say. Oh, that's a good one, guys. Oh my gosh. Stay on. That's another good one. Come on. Come on, feisty. God, he whaled me. Ooh. Come on. Footballs. Y'all want to catch some football games? There we go. Woo, baby. There's another guy right there. All fall footballs, baby. Love it. Man, he whaled it like a 4-pounder, but it's funny, man. All the little guys are hitting me like a freight train. And I mean, they're all nice bass, don't get me wrong. I'm not gonna say they're all little. But the big one I caught, like, hit me, which is like, there's no one. Right here off this flat, man. Chatterbait's killing them. This guy's. Whoa! Hey there, buddy. That's the smallest fish I think I've ever seen in here. If that ain't a fall stud, I don't know what is, boys. All right, so they're a little more active today. They're not slowed down like I thought they would be, which is awesome. But they're ruining this chatterbait. Just to show you guys the juice today, this is what caught all my fish right here. So this is what we're working with. We have the Z-Man chatterbait right here. Z-Man makes a great chatterbait. And what I did is I topped it with the Vile Bug right here. These things work pretty good, I guess, for a trailer. Tried fishing them as a jig, but I don't think the fish wanted something a little more. Seemed like it was the ticket. So heck yeah, shout out mysterytacklebox. Alrighty guys, we are gonna end the video here. It's getting cold, it's getting late, so I'm gonna put a wrap to this. So for an overall recap today, we caught a couple of fish. We caught one really nice one and I believe 4 others. They were all footballs and you know, I can't complain at all. I wanna give a huge thank you to mysterytacklebox for hooking me up with the chatterbait and the, well, just the lures that caught the fish today. And yeah guys, if you want a little tip for what I was doing, I came out here expecting the fish to be a little more lethargic. So I was throwing a jig, you know, just kind of lifting it off the bottom, and that wasn't doing the trick. So, you know, what I did was I backtracked into a fall bite, thought about, you know, moving baits. This is the time of year that, you know, shad are schooling and everything's moving up and and you know, big fish are trying to eat as much as they can to stock up for the winter. So I went to find a moving bait, which was that chatterbait. I think a spinner bait would have killed it today, but a chatterbait was all I had to work with, and I'd say that was the next best thing. So I took the chatterbait, I tipped it with that Vile Bug by Biospawn, and it did the trick for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys are new here and like the content, leave a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like for me. And hey, there's some social media links down below if you guys want to follow me on Instagram. I post little edits and stuff on there as well if you guys just want to stay up to date when I'm not on YouTube. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.